Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar fell 0.4% against the yen in the last trading session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.7% during the session. The ROC's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.7% in the last session. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Oil prices eased after data showed that US crude inventories jumped more than expected, raising concerns about demand in the world's largest economy. The Ethereum Layer 2 scaling project, Starknet, plans to kick off its first token allocation this month. In a new announcement, the project notes it will distribute more than 700 million Starknet tokens to nearly 1.3 million addresses starting on February the 20th. The US dollar traded in a tight range as market players tried to gauge when the Federal Reserve will likely begin cutting interest rates, as Fed officials weighed in on US inflation data.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK retail sales will be released at 0700 hours GMT, the US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1500 hours GMT, Germany's Wholesale Price Index at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT, the US Producer Price Index at 1330 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.